Hey, good morning, Chuck here with Apple Drains. We all know that there's a big storm coming and it's going to put a lot of snow down on the ground, and other people are going to get some rain. Let me show you an older video, but it is the best video on how to seal gutters and why they're so important to seal. After Christmas, it's going to warm up again. Then it's going to get cold. It's going to do that all winter long. If you have the chance, you need to get up there and seal that gutter if you have a drip.
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Sometimes we get a call to come out and seal the gutter. It's not really what we do. We're more of the underground things, but we've done a lot of work here at this home, so let's take a look here and see if we can't seal this gutter. You can see there were some screens here, and if you look closely, you see all this water right there. And what it's doing is it's dripping down, and of course when it's cold and frozen, that just turns to ice, and this is one of their entryways. So what we need to do is to clean this out, dry it up, and then reseal the seam here. There's a seam back here, there's a seam here, and there's another seam here. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use my blower and really blow this area out. Okay, so we've got the area pretty dry. Now I'm just going to take a little rag and really try to get as much of this dirt out of here as, the blower didn't pick up. But I think I've got it all. Wipe it clean. And now we're ready to apply some sealer. Okay, this is really interesting. You've probably seen these commercials for Flex Shot, where the guy seals the boat with a screen door. This is just silicone, and it's an outdoor waterproof silicone, and it works great, but it costs 12 bucks a bottle. This is a weatherproof, rain resistant, freeze resistant, waterproof silicone. It costs $3 and it works just the same. So let's go ahead and put some in there. When caulking, always remember to get up here in the top, a good amount of caulk right down along that seam. Spread it out. And as this dries, it'll flow just a little bit. Gutter sealer works really good too. And the reason I'm using a silicone sealer is because it's been so cold that I really need this to set up quickly. This will set up a little quicker than the gutter sealer, which is a silicone base, but it also flows a little bit more down into the seam. But this is going to have plenty of caulk on it, and we'll spread it. Remember to do all the seams. So when you're all done, go ahead and secure your screens back to where they were. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains. We were at this house probably about 3 or 4 months ago, and we had a video that how to tunnel your sidewalk, tunnel the sidewalk in less than 5 or 10 minutes. And you can see how this area turns out after just a few months. Here's the catch basin we installed. The line goes under the sidewalk, comes out over here, and discharges over here.